Removing a GPU adapter. The GPU adapter replacement procedures for the SR850 V3 and SR850 V4 are identical. An SR850 V3 is used in this video for demonstration purposes. Remove the front top cover. Remove the rear top cover. Remove the PCIe riser where the GPU adapter is installed. Disconnect the power cable from the GPU adapter. Gently lift the PCIe retainer on the PCIe riser card and slide it to the unlocked position. Unfasten the screw that secures the GPU adapter to the chassis. Hold the edges of the GPU adapter and carefully pull it out of the PCIe slot.